Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talent Traders, myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. And also we are ending that October expiry today and how many stocks which given you the opportunity and our weekly, monthly as well as intraday. So intraday is about a daily scanner and monthly scanner and weekly scanner works based on our option strategy. A lot of stocks which triggers in this week why because of Nifty it cracked more than 3.5% within 3 days. And this week it's a huge correction which we seen in the Nifty, so more than 3%. Okay, within a 3 days from that level of 19,500 and today it made low around so near about 3.6% down within a 3 days. And this will drag all the stocks down and a lot of put side trigger we got an opportunity and weekly as well as monthly based on our concept, but normally we are not focusing the last week of expiry, but anyone who tried for this week, so you may be getting such a good profit and huge one also. But many trades which triggers in this week and the previous week, so that got achieved our target. So this was in weekly, this current week from Monday to this Friday, so we have only stocks, only one which you have seen in the put side, sorry, call side. So majority of the stocks for this week, like Dalmia Bharat, so lot of stocks, 7 rupees option and DLF which went up to 27, Tata Chemical 17 to 67 due to that huge drop in the market. So but this system which you are following many days and it is going to give you such a good result on the trending days. So we find out finally a good trending day, weekly options. So a lot of options like a Titan 3260, 52,160, but we can't count these are all the stocks which given you the opportunity. But we have a number of stocks which achieved our target. And maybe so we find out by using the scanner only the volumeable or the liquid stocks to find out such a good opportunity. And finally, we find out, and that was a huge move. Many stocks, if you are looking at how many stocks more than 200% is around 84 stocks, and 150 plus is around 115 stocks. Maybe we are looking for a one or two, but this week and due to huge drop in the market, so we got almost 115 stock which gone up to 150%. So lot of stocks maybe we can find out one or two from this list. So we always focusing one or two trades in the quality and liquid stocks. That would be good enough for our positional trading based on our advanced option strategy concept. So these are all the stocks which we got it on this weekly basis. If we go for a Manappuram, maybe less liquid one, Infosys 1430, 43 to 70. 1430, Infosys 1430, mostly puts. Okay, calls are triggered and I'll look for a 15 minutes or even a 16 minutes. So our entry point would be around 43 and here is the point. So, but it's a weekly now. The weekly which we are going to start from 25th. 25th, it is around 44 in the first 1 hour candle. Maybe 15 minutes we can find out whether this is a breakout or not. So first 15 minutes it never moves to 43 and this was a fresh breakout 43 to 70. It's a quality trade, but most probably we are not going to plan a trade at the expiry weeks. But if you are planning, so it may be giving you a lot of opportunities. And same like that. So monthly. So already we seen 2 weeks back. That is 1 week back. Almost 9 stock which triggers our target in a call site, and those stock triggers our target, and again they were came back. So because of huge down in the market, and some of the stock which you are looking for SBIN and UPL, Tata Power, sale. Sale was triggered our entry point 94 put option 5.5. That was in the beginning of the month. I'm not talking about yesterday or this week. This trade based on our positional strategy that was triggered 94 put option 5.5, which is triggered at around, sorry, it should be a put option triggered in 4th or 5th of this month, I think. So because I was trying that, yeah, October here, this contract started 4.5, sorry, 5.5, maybe triggered at this point, around the 4th October. It triggered and then it went up to or triggered our target around 8 rupees, more than 8 rupees, and then it returned back 4.7. Not triggered our stop loss, but finally it went up to 12 rupees. Such a huge move. And same like that, M&M Finance. Those who are watching my live sessions, they know well M&M Finance 300 put. That is 18.1, which triggers somewhere here. And after that, it came down to 11 rupees, by 8 rupees. And then now it is moving to 31. So, like SAIL, Tata Power, 262, UPL, Tata Communications. So, a lot of stocks. But this current week, we have more stock which reaching towards our target. Almost, if you are looking at how many stocks which triggers our more than 50% is about 46 stocks in monthly basis. Almost waiting period. So maybe taken in the beginning of the month or after some time. So like Bank of Bandhan Bank, SBI 625. Yeah, that is also triggered. 600 put option 25. 25 got triggered here on 13th October. So after waiting for 13 days, 26th is around 56. Those are all the monthly position which triggers on 13th October, and it is taken a long time to trigger our target, and it has also achieved our target maybe 20th of this month around 40, 38, somewhere around 25 to 38 that achieved and now more. So a lot of stocks which triggers, and I can't able to calculate how many stocks which triggers our target today based on our monthly positional concept. But whatever the stock which we are planning with our advanced option strategy concept, we got something more than 12, 13 stocks in the beginning of the month. And in the nearby expiry, so we have almost 100 plus stocks. But this is a scanner. By using the scanner, we can find out such a good opportunity. So we plan for 1 or 2 stocks to get a good opportunity by using this method. So we are not going to focus on all the 150 stocks whose triggers are not going to take. The main concept which you are using to find out a quality stock is about a volume and also bid-ask spread gap. That is called a liquidity. So if any stocks having a huge liquidity issue, we are simply ignoring those stocks. So let me go for the Tata Power 262.5. As a positional trade, we have to wait for monthly basis. Power here is the trigger 14.2. So our entry point should be, we are looking for 14.3, and exactly at this point 14.3, the exact high. From there it went up to 6 points. So maybe our stop loss got triggered, and now retracement or entry. So on 20th October again, and 21st, 25th, it reaching towards 25 rupees. So lot of trades which given you such a good opportunity in put side because of huge drop in the market. Maybe where it is going to be stopped. So just keep on going down. So maybe the 18,600 should be the next support, whether it is going to take that support or not. So from here, the previous support level is around 18,650, and maybe that level only market is started moving after the consolidation. Here maybe some demand. It whenever it come down towards 18,600 level, so we can look for a buying opportunity until unless if we find any reversal opportunity. Our next one should be around this level from that point of 18,200. So maybe these two levels are crucial, but when the market is moving at this much of speed, possible to reach 2 or 3 days, or it can be reversed back from this level. So maybe we have successfully completed the month of October. So the November month contract, which is going to be start from 1st of November only. So that is next week. Until this monthly sheet, don't use the monthly sheet for a monthly contract because already the contract is expired. Okay, so don't use for tomorrow, and this is going to be start from 1st of November. And weekly positional, so only 1 day left for tomorrow this week. So only it is act as an intraday concept tomorrow for a November series. And intraday, it's not an issue. So today also we have a lot of stocks. We can see almost 100 plus stocks, 100 stocks which triggers our entry point, but huge. Mostly the stocks which is triggers by gap up. So that means the stock which down Maharani 10,600 intraday 91 to 150. But today is a different day because of monthly expiry which is happening today, and we are not going to focus for opportunity in stock option on expiry days as per our concept. Maybe tomorrow, so we can focus for a good opportunities. Maybe we are going to get it. And next 2 days, the next week contract is going to be start from 30th November. So 30th to 3rd of November. And that is a weekly concept. And tomorrow, whatever the sheets like intraday and weekly positional, both it looks like a same. And this is where my sheet uses as a scanner. Both it will be a same, and monthly sheet turned on to use for up to the 1st of November. From 1st of November, we will be start making our advanced option strategies trades. So those who have learned already the strategies, we will know well how to use that. So we can apply any of our strategy like 2.1 and 3.2 or 1:1. So something edging one, which we can apply based on the strategy. Okay, so this is what we got and result. So huge drop and mostly put side, which given you weekly as well as monthly. So a lot of stocks, I'm not going to count it this much of stock achieved a target because it is happening on expiry. And but as per this month, we have more than 9 to 10 stocks on a call side, more than 15 to 20 stocks on a put side, which achieved our advanced option strategy target and based on positional one. I hope you understood and enjoying that concept of this advanced options concept. And intraday, it works based on the candle R4 breakout, lot of stocks. And one stock which I find out today is about Infosys, I think. In the morning, which I will look for, where it is Infosys. Maruti also 10,600. So we go for Maruti 10600 put option in 5 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes. You can look at this. Here is about 92. Our entry point is 91. It is triggered in the first 15 minutes that we are not looking for, but after that it went higher because we overall markets down. So, but a lot of opportunity, but we find out some trades which is triggered after our entry point. So that means fresh breakouts. So we find like lot of stocks I find out. So one I find out is about Sun Pharma. Yeah, Sun Pharma. The strike price is around 1160 put option. So I'll show you that 1160 put option, but maybe the premium is huge. In the 15 minutes, it was not, it has started higher. Sun Pharma, and this one, some stocks which I find out. Federal Bank, lot of things which happen, but we are not trying for any because expiry day is entirely different day. Federal Bank 147. And result today, the stock was trading somewhere around 147. You can look at this 20 in the first 15 minutes candle high is 4.7. And our entry point is nearby 8 and closing hours which is happening. So we are not going to focus. So, but many stock which triggers, but we can't count it, which are the stock which is triggers in the live market because of huge down. Okay, so finally we are ending with a good result on this month of October series and the positional concept which works well and weekly also working well. But first 2 weeks the market was very slow, but now in the second half it was very huge move that was happening on overall market trend is down. So thank you for watching. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, so you can directly WhatsApp me to get more detail about this Google Sheet. And thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And any other questions and doubt also, you can just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.